Hello everyone, you're watching Khaksar English Club. This is your instructor Asmatullah Khaksar and welcome to my third class about the model verbs. First, viewers, English lovers, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more video notifications. You will be notified about my more online classes. So, viewers, English lovers, in my last class about the model verbs, I taught you two model verbs that were should and are to. In today's class, I'm going to talk about two more model verbs that are may and might. Viewers, English lovers, remember one thing, the verbs may and might, that may and might does not change for all the pronouns. May and might is used with all pronouns. If our pronouns is singular and if our pronouns is plural, we are using may and might with all pronouns. So, the general formula, the general structure for me and might is that all subject pronouns plus may or might plus verb-based form plus roots. This is the general formula, the general structure about may and might. Now let me talk about them one by one with the practical examples. First, may is talking about possibility. If we are talking about the possibility of something, about the forecast of something, we are using may. For example, it may rain today. It may rain today. Or she may come tomorrow. Next, at last, may is talking about prayers or wish. For example, may Allah recover you soon. May Allah bless you. This was all the information about may. Now let me talk about might. Might is also a model verb used to express a present or future possibility as well and past possibility as well. Might is a model verb used to express a present possibility and past possibility as well. Let me give you some practical example. When we are talking about the present possibility or the future possibility, we are using might. For example, she might be at home. She might come tomorrow. This is talking about the present or future possibility. Next, might is also talking about the past possibility. For example, she might have called you when you were out. She might have called you when you were out. This is talking about the past possibility. So viewers, it was all about may and might. Now at last, let me tell you that what is the difference between may and might. I will tell you three differences. Difference number one. May is talking about present or future possibility, while might is talking about past possibility. For example, if I say she might come tomorrow or she might be at home, this is talking about present or past possibility. If I say she might have came if I called her, she might have came if I called her, this is talking about past possibility. Difference number second. May is used for permissions, while might is not really used for permission. For example, if I say, may I use your pen, this is commonly used. And if I say, might I use your pen, this is not commonly used. This was difference number second. Now, difference number third. We were English lovers. If you are more sure about something, you can use may, or you have to use may. And if you are less sure about something, you can use might. For example, if I'm sure that I will get first position, I can say I may get first position because I'm sure I may get first position. Or if I am less sure, I can say that I might get first position. This means that getting first position is not sure. If there is any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. Stay blessed. Goodbye. Thank you.